Hello, it's time to declutter, and I can hear you in front of your clutter saying, I can't get rid of these perfectly good items. They're perfectly good. That's fine. They can be perfectly good for someone else. Give them away. It's lovely to give away perfectly good items to someone else, even Goodwill. It's a blessing to those people that they can buy it at a discount or that you can donate it to a homeless shelter. It's perfectly good, but it's not perfectly good for you. If you don't love it, you don't need it, you don't use it, and you didn't even know you had it, it's not perfectly good for you. It's imperfect for you. It's not a good match for you. You wouldn't buy it if you were in the store. Yeah, it's perfectly good. That's exactly what you give away. The things that aren't perfectly good are more than imperfectly good, but in bad shape, those get thrown away. So good things and perfectly good things get donated. Make it a great day.